Hi, so for today's asynchronic, we need to do the amortization tables with two exercises. So now I'm going to share a screen to explain how I do these tables. So the first one says, in order to buy a car, Andrew asked for a loan of $10,000. That is our principal. Payable during 3 years with semi-annual payments and an interest rate of 12% compounded semi-annually. Find the amount of every payment and the amortization table. So the rate is 12%, but if we put in decimals, it will be 0.12. Then the final balance, it needs to be 0. Always will be 0. And the periods will be 6 because it's 3 years with semi-annual payment. There are 2 payments per year. It's 3 times 2 is 6. Then the payments, we will use the formula of payment. There is a rate, comma, periods, comma, principal, comma, final balance. And our answer will be 2,432.26. And this payment, we need to put it in every period. So like this. Then for every period, we need to find the interest, the principal, and the balance. The balance in period 0 will be the same as the principal, that is 10,000. Then the interest, the formula of the interest is the last balance, no, minus the last balance times 0.12, there is a rate. Then for find the principal, we need to do the payment minus the interest. And finally, for the balance, will be the last balance plus the principal. And these formulas you will repeat in every period. And finally, in the last balance, need to be 0 for confirm that our table is good. So balance plus our principal and write this like this. The final balance is 0. Okay, so in the second one exercise, we will do the same but with these numbers. At above 500 of 500,000 has to be paid in 5 years with annual payments at an interest rate of 8% compounded monthly. Find the amount of every payment and the amortization table. So our principal is 500,000, like this. Then our rate is 8%, but in decimal is 0.08. Then our final balance, it will be 0.2. Our periods will be 5 years, and it says that it's monthly, so it's 12 because it's 12 months. So it will be 12 times 5, that is 60. So our periods will be 60. And our payments, we will find us with the formula of payments. That is rate, comma, periods, comma, principal, comma, final balance. So these will be our payments. So here we need to put all the periods that are 60. Okay, but in the period 0, we will put a balance of the of like the same of the principal. Then in the payment, we will put the same payment in every period, like this. And the interest, we will use the formula of minus the last balance times 0.08, that is a rate. Then the principal will be the payment minus this, or something is wrong. Rate, then period, then the principal, and then this is okay. So here will be minus this times 0.08. Okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. Okay. Then we will repeat the same formulas in every period. That is will be minus the last balance times 0.08, then payment minus interest, and then the last balance plus the principal. And like this, you will repeat after you will repeat it 60 times. Okay, so when we have all the table like this, the only thing to verify that our table is okay is that in the final balance need to be 0, and then uh, you know that your table is okay. So we found the payment, the every payment, that is 4,398.97, and our amortization table, there is this with our 60 um, with our 60 periods. And that's it. Thank you.